Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, dear students, today in class 4 subject English grammar, I am going to make recapitulation of chapter number 12 adjectives and chapter number 13 degrees of comparison. Okay, students, in detail I have explained you about this both chapter very well in previous video. Okay, so today in this video I will just highlight the important topic of this both chapter. Okay, so everyone open your grammar book. Come to your chapter number 12, adjectives. Students, what is an adjective? Adjective क्या है? A word that add something to the noun. Okay, so we can say that it's an adjective. Means a word which shows or describe about noun is called adjective. Okay, let's see here. For example, Rafiq is a big boy. Which kind of boy is Rafiq? Rafiq कैसा boy है? Big boy. Okay. So you can see this word big add something to the noun Rafiq. Okay. ये जो word है big वो रफीक के बारे में कुछ add करता है. Okay. So we can say that it's a adjective. Which one? Big. Here, lazy students fail. Which kind of students fail? Lazy. Okay. So here we can say that this word lazy adds something to this noun students. Okay. So this word lazy is an adjective. Next, Gomes is poor but honest. Here you can see that this word poor and honest tells about Gomes. Okay, which kind of man Gomes is? Okay, what kind of man Gomes is? Gomes is poor but honest. So we can say that this word poor and honest are adjective. Okay, next one. England is a rich country. इंग्लैंड कैसे कंट्री है? रिच. Here also you can see that this word rich adds something to the name of the country England. Okay, so this word rich is an adjective. Okay, so students, I hope you understood very well about adjective. In grammar, describing words are called adjectives. ग्रामर में जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड होते हैं इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडजेक्टिव. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी दिस वर्ड बिग, लेजी, पुअर, ऑनेस्ट, रिच. ये डिस्क्राइब करते हैं ओके नाउन को. So we can say that it's describing words or it's adjectives. Okay, what is the definition? Words that describe the quality of the noun are known as adjectives of quality. Okay, जो word noun की quality show करते हैं उनको हम adjective of quality भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, for example, happy, new, silly, etc. Okay, now students, come to your page number 51. Let's see exercise of adjectives so that you can better understand. Exercise number 1. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences and circle the nouns they describe. Here in this exercise you have to underline the adjective and you have to circle the noun which is described. Okay, let's see. Number A, the sky is blue. Okay, so in this sentence you can see that the word blue is an adjective. Okay, so underline here, and the word sky is noun, so circle here. Next, number B. The sum is hard. Okay, so you can see that this word hard is an adjective. So underline here, and the word sum is noun. So circle here. Next, number C. Lead is heavy. Okay, so here the word heavy is an adjective, so underline here, and lead is noun, so circle here. Okay, next, number D. The cow is a useful animal. Okay, so here you can see that this word useful is an adjective, so underline here, and the cow is noun, so circle here. Next, number E. The rose is a beautiful flower. Rose कैसा flower है? Beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective, so underline here, and rose is a noun, so circle here. Next, number F. Mr. Pal is a rich merchant. Okay, so rich is adjective, so underline here, and Mr. Pal is noun, so circle here. Next, number G. Noshirwan was a just ruler. Okay, so students, you will underline this word just. Okay, it's an adjective, and here you will make circle on noun Noshirwan. Okay, next, number H. Varanasi is a holy city. So which one is adjective? Holy. Okay, so underline here. And here on Varanasi, you will make circle. It's noun. Number I. The flowers are yellow. Okay, so here yellow is an adjective. So you will make underline here. And on flowers, you will make circle. It's a noun. Okay. Now students, exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with words given in the box below. You will fill these blanks using this word which is given in the box. Okay, students, we can say these are adjective. ये adjective है. Okay, so you will fill these correct adjectives on correct blank. Okay, let's see. First, I will read this adjective. Right, thin, hungry, sad, happy, thick, thirsty, and wrong. Okay, let's see. Number A. The paper is. The paper is thin. Okay, which one is correct adjective? Thin. So correct answer is the paper is thin. Number B. The book is. Book कैसी होती है? Thick. Okay, so correct answer is thick. Number C. The boy is. You can see here. Boy कैसा है? Sad है. Okay, so correct answer is sad. Number D. The girl is. How is this girl? It's look happy. So correct answer is happy. Number E. This is a blank sentence. This is a wrong sentence. Okay. This is the right way. Okay, ये right way है. Students, you can write here also write. Okay, आप लोग यहाँ भी this is the right sentence and this is the wrong way. Both are right. Okay. Next, number G. I am hungry. Number H. He is thirsty. Okay. You can also write here I am thirsty and he is hungry. Both are right, okay? So students, this was the revision of your chapter number 12, adjectives. Now let's see chapter number 13, okay? Degrees of comparison. Students, in this chapter, comparison between two or more than one is given, okay? So there are three kinds of degrees, okay? Which are they? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, okay? Students, if there is no comparison, we can say that it's a positive degree, okay? कुछ comparison नहीं है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं इसको positive degree, okay? Raj is a tall boy. Here you can see there is no comparison is made, okay? So it's a positive degree. Now second one, you can see here Rahul is a taller than Raj. There is comparison with Raj, okay? So we can say that it's a comparative degree, okay? And third one, Veer is the tallest boy. There is a comparison, okay? Highest form of the comparison, okay? Veer सबसे tall है, okay? So there is the highest form of comparison. So we can say that it's a superlative degree, okay? So students, which are the types of kinds of degree? कितनी डिग्री के टाइप्स है? फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव डिग्री, देन comparative degree and then superlative degree, okay? Let's see. Students, there are few rules to change form of degree from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative, okay? So if the last letter of word is Y, you will cut that Y and you will add IER in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. Okay. Here you can see word costly. So last letter is Y. So you will remove this Y and in comparative degree you will add IER, costlier, and in superlative degree you will add IEST, costliest, okay? You will read this other example. Now next one, by doubling the last letter and then adding ER and EST. Students, you will add the last letter, okay? Here you can see the word big. So you will add this last letter G in comparative degree and then you will add ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Here you can see big, bigger and biggest. Okay. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. You will read these words, you will study it and you will keep in mind that which word you have to double, okay? Next, in some adjectives do not follow any of the rules but they are compared irregularly, okay? So you have to keep few words in mind that totally the form of the positive from comparative and superlative it will be changed, okay? There is no rule, you have to keep in mind. few words ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे पॉजिटिव में से कंपेरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव में चेंज करने के लिए पूरा वर्ड चेंज हो जाता है, ओके? आपको कुछ कट या ऐड करना नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी हियर बेड, ओके, इविल और इल. सो उसका कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म आएगा वर्स और सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म आएगा वर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट, गुड और वेल. So its comparative form is better and superlative form is best. Okay. Next, far, farther and farthest. Far, farther and farthest. Okay. So students, you will study these other words. Okay. Students, few words are there with whom you can add more in comparative form, and in superlative you will add most. Okay. See here, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful, useful, more useful, most useful. Okay. So here you will also study this word, with which word you can add more and most. In comparative you have to add more, and in superlative you have to add most. Now students, let's see your exercise. Exercise number 1. Complete the following table. Here three form of degree are given. You have to complete this table. Okay. Here positive degree, here comparative and here superlative. Okay. So one word will be given. आपको कोई भी एक डिग्री का एक वर्ड दिया जाएगा. You have to fill the other two form of degree. Okay. So here worse is given. So positive form is bad and superlative form is worst. Okay. Then big, bigger and biggest. Okay. Then thin, thinner and thinnest. Next, important, more important, most important. Then happy, happier, happiest. Then soft, softer, softest. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Okay. So students, study well this table. Okay. Now turn your page, your exercise number 2. Circle the correct option. Here also you have to circle on correct form of degree. Okay. Let's see. Number A. Cherries are sweeter or sweet than strawberries. Students, if there is word then you have to keep in mind that you have to choose the comparative form of degree. Okay. अगर word then है THAN then, तो आपको comparative form degree का comparative form choose करना है. Okay. So here correct answer is sweeter. Next, number B. December is the cold or coldest month of the year. Student, अगर article the है तो आपको सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म चूज करना है. ओके. सो डिसम्बर इज द कोल्डेस्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर. नंबर सी. शी इज द ब्राइट और ब्राइटेस्ट स्टूडेंट इन अर क्लास. हियर यू कैन सी द. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ब्राइटेस्ट. नंबर डी. That is a bigger or big sandwich. If here article A or N is there, then you will choose positive form. Okay, that is a big sandwich. Number E. This is the deep or deepest lake I have seen. So correct answer is deepest. Number F. Devi is more intelligent than Ashmi. Okay, then is here. So correct answer is more intelligent. Number G. Milkha Singh was the first or fastest recorded Indian sprinter. Okay, the article is here. Next, number H. Give her a little or least milk to drink. So which one is correct answer? Little. Now come to your exercise number 3. Fill in the correct form of the words in brackets. Okay, comparative or superlative. Students, here words are given. in this blank you have to choose the correct फॉर्म ऑफ कंपेरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। ओके, आपको ये ब्लैंक में ये जो वर्ड दिया है उसका करेक्ट फॉर्म सुपरलेटिव या कंपेरेटिव का लिखना है। ओके, लेट्स सी। नंबर ए, योर हाउस इज big than mine. So which form of degree will come? Comparative. Okay, so correct answer is bigger. Your house is bigger than mine. Next, number B. This dress is blank than that one. Here you can see than is here. So comparative form. Okay, this dress is more beautiful than that one. Number C. This is the. You can see here the. So which form will come? Superlative. This is the most interesting movie I have ever watched. Next, number D. Which is the? You can see the is here. So superlative form. Which is the most dangerous animal in the world? Number E. A holiday by the sea is blank than a holiday in the mountains. Here you can see than is here. So comparative form of degree. Okay, a holiday by the sea is better than a holiday in the mountains. Number F. Who is richer, Bill Gates or Ambani? Okay, next number G. The weather this summer is even than last summer. So comparative form will come here. Okay, then is here. So the weather this summer is even worse than last summer. Next, number H. He was the cleverest thief of all. Okay, the article is here. So superlative form will come. So students, this was the revision of your chapter number 12, adjectives, and chapter number 13, degrees of comparison. Okay, students, if your work is still incomplete, you will make it complete. Study well, continue writing also and study also. If you have any query, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.